these are the elevators at the Hyatt Regency in New Brunswick, New Jersey. We're headed down. So these are our ThyssenKrupp. Head down to the basement. He's head up. Oh, look at these lights! Green, blue, red, yellow, and purple. These are fast.
Be prepared to stop on L.
76.
Going up.
At 6. There's the health club. Watch the floor in the care part way. Oh, non-stop. Watch this. That's right. You can see New Brunswick.
Yeah, it's a nice town.
Here we are at 6. Let's head back down the lobby and switch cars.
Floor.
We'll look around on 6.
And we'll do that after we switch cars. There's New Brunswick. These are fat. These things are awesome. There's the other elevator. Ooh, we're not focused. Look at these lights.
Lobby.
Stop moving so fast.
That's 2. Set this one up. Oh, perfect. That's the one we want. Yeah. We'll wait for the next one. Just head up now. Oops.
Slow down. I'm here. Let that one close.
See if this one goes up. Up.
Okay.
Now let's press the up button. Here's this one. Hit up 6 and we'll watch the floor indicator. Oh, there's the selectomatics thing. Here we go. Blue light. These things are awesome. I think these were Dovers. There is New Brunswick.
Floor.
These are awesome. Let's check out the hallway. There's a sing area. Pretty nice hotel.
We're not walking up and down.
It's a pretty nice hotel. Ice and vending. Let's get a view. There is downtown New Brunswick. There is the Quincy apartments. Those are just some. There's the roof of the convention center, part of the building. It's a nice hotel. And there's the service elevator. Pause if you want to read that. No smoking. Nice hotel. Number 2, number 3, number 1. You got number 1.
Going down.
Let's head down to L.
Okay, time.
Let's get a cab view. Nice elevator. Love the window. EPCO, smaller, hands-free ADA phone. Here we go. There is the other elevator. There is elevator number 3. Here at L.
Lobby.
Now,